Hello. We are back again with another sit down video. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for faithfully watching my videos. I am back with a highly requested video. A lot of you guys wanted to know a little bit more about independent agents and how you actually become independent. So today I'm going to go into that in detail, and hopefully it will be very helpful for a lot of you aspiring insurance agents out there. So if you want to know more, just stay tuned. So what exactly is an independent insurance agent? So the first thing that you would have to do to become an independent insurance agent is get your license. An independent insurance agent is someone who can work for the client to get them the best deal for insurance. So a lot of times we work with different companies, multiple companies at that. I currently work with over 30 different companies, whether it be for life insurance, health insurance, for your homeowners, for your auto, all of the above. I am able to fully cover you. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get your state license. You do have to take a test, and for each category, for instance, for life insurance you have to take a test, for property and casualty you have to take a test, and for health and accident you have to take another test. There are some insurance agents that are only certified and licensed in, let's just say, life insurance, and then there are others that are only certified in property and casualty, which means that you could sell homeowners and auto, and then there are some that are fully licensed like myself. So like I said, the first thing you have to do is get your license. Once you get your license, I would recommend starting out at a captive agency. A captive agency is someone like your State Farm, Allstate, Progressive, the list can go on. So basically a captive agency is a company, but the downfall to working for a captive agency is you only have the opportunity to sell for that company only. So you don't have the opportunity to deal with other companies and compare prices and all of that. You are just confined to that one company. I would say that it's a good idea to start there because a lot of times the agent of the company will be willing to kind of mentor you, show you the ropes, and 98% of the time they will pay for you to get your license. So if you come and you interview for a company and you let them know that you are highly motivated to become an insurance agent and maybe you have some sales on your resume, they will put that money into your future in order to get your licenses. So that's an easy way to get your licenses paid for, it because it does cost money. Once you pass your test, it costs money for training. So you have to go online, you have to do pre-licensing, you have to do training, and then it costs money once you actually do take the test. It also costs money to actually get the license. So all of that, it will be under $1,000, more so around $500, maybe a little bit under, depending on if you're trying to be fully licensed or just in one category. So that would be the next step, is to definitely mentor under a captive agent and start there. After you do your captive agency, I would say work there for at least 6 months to a year so that you can get some experience under your belt, so that you know the ropes, so that you can become knowledgeable about insurance and selling. And then I would recommend, if you choose to go independent. The pros to becoming independent is, like I said, you get to work with multiple companies to further assist your clients, because a lot of times when you work with one of those bigger agencies, they will deny customers because they just can't write them for insurance because maybe they had too many claims, or maybe their credit is not as good. And so the good thing about becoming an independent insurance agent is that you work with multiple companies, and 9 times out of 10 you are able to place that client with a company that will accept them. So that is definitely a positive. Another pro to becoming independent are the renewals and residuals that you get. A lot of times when you start out working with a captive agent or an agency, you are not able to get residuals or renewals. That is mostly obtained by the agent or the agency, but a lot of times you do get commission. When you become independent, you get commission as well as renewals every year. So for instance, if you were to sign on a client for a 6-month auto policy, that next time that they renew that policy, you are going to get paid again for commission each 6 months, or for homeowners, that is a year. So each year you will get another commission on top of the commission that you got for signing up the client. So that is yearly. That is depending on the product, it's either yearly or every 6 months. So if you can imagine, that over the years can build and build and build, depending upon how many clients you have. So that is a fast way of making a lot of money with insurance as an independent agent. That is why a lot of people tend to, transfer over to becoming an independent agent, because there is a lot more money out there to be made, and there is a lot more opportunity to service your clients. You can also become an owner, a business owner, because a lot of times you will want to create a company to kind of oversee your insurance deals and processes. So that in itself will make you become a business owner. Now, a lot of independent agents, they just do it as just their name and as an individual, and they don't really have a company as the face. But you can do it either way. You can start out as just an individual signing on clients as an individual independent agent, and then later on you can create a company to better service your clients. So I hope that was helpful to kind of shedding light on what exactly is an independent agent and how to get started. Now, if you have any questions, if you have some tips, if you have any ideas or of any future topics that you would like me to talk about, or any vlogs, feel free to comment down below, and feel free to subscribe. I would love to have you here as a part of my family here on my channel. I post every Thursday a new vlog, a new informational sit down video. I am an actress, I'm an independent insurance agent. I am also an aspiring entertainment lawyer. So I have all of those things going on, as well as being a mother to my 3-year-old. So there are plenty of things to talk about here on my channel, and I would love to have you. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.